Welcome to new library. The library name is Numpy. What is a Numpy? What is the use of Numpy? I will discuss here. What are the features we have? Okay, where we are using the Numpy already we discussed. In a data science application, what are the libraries required in a data science application developer? Here, Numpy is a mathematical operations that mathematical can use into the matrices as well as trigonometry, like as a tan, cot, sin, like that one. Along with that one, a NumPy, the full form of NumPy is a numerical Python. Here, the main aim of this numerical Python is to calculate the mathematical operations. What kind of operation means? We can use any kind of numbers. That number should be matrices or else logarithms or else any kind of mathematical operation wise. For example, mathematical operation sine, cos, like that one. Here, see, NumPy, the short form of NumPy means numerical Python. Already I told you. Here, the primary goal of this NumPy is numerical and scientific computing. We can use this numerical and scientific computing to find out the data. What kind of data? Predictive data. Here, it is a very high performance tool to comparing it to the normal array. Okay, here we have collection of mathematical operations we have, and as well as here we can easy to do different kinds of mathematical operations. Okay, see key features. What are the key features we have here? N-dimensional array. N-dimensional array means we can create the multi-dimensions. It means multi. Here, one dimensional, or else two dimensional, or else three dimensional, or else etc. Here we are given to the dimensions names. Here we can create the n-dimensional arrays based on the requirement. We can create the n dimensions. Next one, mathematical operations. Here, NumPy will support to the mathematical operations. What are the mathematical operations? We can find out the vectorization. This vectorization comes from the mathematical operations. Loops, making computation. What is fastest mathematical operation wise, we need to choose that. Next, broadcasting. Here, broadcasting means we can shape any kind of way. The data can shape any kind of dimension wise, or we can creating any kind of models. Here, this broadcasting will allow to creating into the different kinds of shapes as well as dimensions. Next, integration with other libraries. Here, NumPy will supporting into the different kinds of libraries. Those are Pandas, Scikit Learn, TensorFlow. Not only for these libraries, we can support our data science application libraries. Entire libraries will support to the NumPy. Next, efficiency. Here, NumPy is implemented by C. Okay, that's why it is a very fastest one comparing to the Python. I will show you in programmatically, which is the fastest one when we are executing the same code. NumPy is the fastest one, or else Python is the fastest one. I will show you in example wise. Installation of the NumPy. How to install the NumPy means first we need to install the Python. After then we need to go for NumPy. See how to install the NumPy. Pip 3 install NumPy. I will show you here. Go to the command prompt, cmd. Then we need to enter pip install NumPy. Just pip install NumPy. Enter. Already NumPy is installed in my system. That's why a requirement already satisfied. Okay, this NumPy is already installed. Just what is a command means? Go to the command prompt. Pip install NumPy. This is the installation of the NumPy. See, after installation of the NumPy, need to go for simple example. Okay, what are the simple examples are import NumPy. We are importing the library, NumPy library, then creating to the one variable, then we need to assign the values, NumPy array values, NumPy dot array. I'm assigning the array values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that one. Print error. we need to call this variable name. I'm checking into here. Go to the Jupyter notebook. This is Jupyter notebook. We need to check how to run our NumPy. Now Jupyter already Anaconda is installed. Go to the new notebook. In this one, we need to check the NumPy example. Day 1. I'm importing the NumPy. Next, I'm assigning the one variable name. Val is equal to NumPy dot array. In that one, I'm given to the some array data. Into val, and then run in this one. See, run option is there. Data will be printed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is printed. Next one, after a simple example, I need to go for alias name. What is alias name is? The place of NumPy, we need to give nickname. That nickname is called as a alias name. The place of NP, I need to go for nickname. I will tell you here. See the example. NumPy as means alias name NP. Val to variable to NP dot. In the place of C, I am given to the NumPy directly here. In the place of NP, I am given to the NP. NumPy plus I am given to the NP. NP dot array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into where, then run it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a printed. Okay. This is a alias name. Next one, NumPy array versus Python list. In this one, which is the fastest one? See, NumPy is a very fastest one comparing into the Python list. How we know means is a accessing into the homogeneous data. Which one? NumPy. Python will access dynamic data. That means we can access a different kind of data type into the list wise. But here NumPy arrays will allow to the homogeneous data, and as well as here it will be implemented by the C. Based on the C, this NumPy will be implemented. That's why it is a very fastest one. I will show you in programmatically. Next, homogeneity. Homogeneity means it will allow to the same data type. The data type should be integer or else float or else string. See the example. Already we discussed here, right? Import NumPy as NP name. Name is equal to NP dot. We are taking to the some names: Python, Java, .NET, SQL. Okay. Next, close this one. Print to name. Need to call, or else need to go for Alt enter. Alt enter. At a time we need to enter Alt plus enter. Python, Java, .NET, SQL. It will be printed string data. For example, float data I need NumPy as NP. Okay. Float data salary. Salary is equal to NP dot array. In this one, I am given to the 10,000 of 10,500 or else 1,500, comma 2,500, 3,000, 4,000. Next, print to salary. The data will be printed 1,500, 2,500, 3,500, 4,500. Here, not for 500. Here we are given to 0.5, right? The data will be taken to the 0.5 function wise only. Decimal data, right? That's why. Okay. Next one, Python list. Python list is a mixed data type. See, here we are given to the mixed data. List is equal to 1, hello, 3.5, and true. Mixed data. See, here we are going to give the here mixed data. I'm not importing any NumPy. Just a list is equal to here I'm given to the Python. This is a which is related to string data, and then I'm given to the float data, and then I'm given to the integer data, and given to the boolean data. Okay. Then I need to call print print will allow to the different kinds of data type. Here only float data along with the RS string related data only. Next one, functionality. Numpy arrays will support to the mathematical operation and statistical operations. See, mathematical and statistical operations are see numpy np.array 1 2 3 4. In that one we are given to the star. Star means the power of this data. Which data? 1. Array AR means array variable names are 1 2 3 4. The 1 2 3 4 power of this 1 2 3 4. 1 power of 1 into 2 2. Next 2 into 2 4. 3 into 4 2 6 like that one. I need to check this one here. Import numpy as np. No need for importing all the times. Okay, for understanding purpose, I am given to the importing the all the data. Okay, list is equal to np dot. I am going to give the 1 2 3 4. Okay. Next, result. Result is equal to list dot list into 2. I need to print. See, the data will be square 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8. Like that one, the data will be doing on here. We are getting the result in a different manner by using the mathematical operation. Next, Python list will build mathematical operation also. Here, we are taking to some list. Along with the list, we are given to the square of that particular list. Okay, list is equal to 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Result is equal to x in x of 2 for x into list. I will tell you here when we are going to discussing on Python list. Next, the data will be here 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6 like that one. The data will be printed. Next, memory usage. When we are comparing to NumPy, the usage of memory is very less compared to the Python. Okay. See the example. I will tell you. See, this one is it will take to the more memory. Python list will take to the more memory, but NumPy array will take to the less memory. I will show you here. List is equal to np.array. Okay. In this one, we are getting 1 2 3 4. Okay. Next one, print list dot n byte. N bytes. 16 byte. The data will be taken to the 16 byte. Okay. When we are going to the list, Python list, import is already taken to the here. No need for again, no need to take again and again. Here, list is equal to 1 2 3 4. Same data we are taking to here. Next, print this dot get size. Get size of the data. The data list and run it. Get size of gets what? See, this dot get size of list. The data will be taken to the more. The memory space is occupied very less comparing to the Python list. Next one, dimensionality. Support to the multi-dimension. That is called as a 2-dimension, 3-dimension, like that one. See, matrix is equal to np.array 1, 2, 3, 4. The matrix shape should be 2 into 2. That means 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay. The shape array of 3D shape is 2, 3, 4.